Alrighty, so to solve these, we need to get either your x's to be the same numerical value or the y's to be the same numerical value. When I look to my x coefficients, I have a 4 and a negative 10. There's nothing I can multiply 4 by that's going to give me 10. So I'm going to move to my y's. My y's are a negative 1 and a positive 10, which means if I multiply my top equation by 10, my y's will cancel out. 4 times 10 is 40x. Negative y times 10 is negative 10y. Negative 16 times 10 is negative 160. My second equation just gets brought over. And then I add the equations together. 40 minus 10x is 30x. My y's disappear because negative 10 plus 10 is 0. Negative 160 plus 10 is negative 150. Divide it by 30. Divide it by 30. And x equals negative 5. I now take this and plug it into either the top equation or the bottom one. Doesn't matter which one you choose. So I'm going to pick the top one. I'm plugging in that negative 5 there. So 4 times negative 5 is negative 20 minus y equals negative 16. Circle what I'm solving for, drop my line, add the 20 to both sides. And I have negative y equals 4 divided by negative 1 because I can't leave it as a negative, and y equals negative 4. So negative 5, negative 4. Remember, this is always your answer. The rest of the business is your work. Let's take a look at number 2. Same thing. I start by finding out which one's going to be the easiest to get to be the same. My x terms, I look to the smaller coefficient. It's a 2. Can I multiply 2 by anything that will give me 6? I can. I can multiply it by 3, which means my top equation stays the way it is. I'm not doing anything with it. Negative 2x times 3 is a negative 6x. 4 times 3 is a 12y. And 18 times 3 is 54. Add the equations together. 6 minus 6 is 0. 12 and 12 make 24 y's. And negative 30 plus 54 is 24. Divided by 24, divided by 24, and y equals 1. I'm going to come back over here, look at my two equations. I'm going to pick the bottom one just because the numbers are smaller. So negative 2x plus 4 times 1 is going to equal 18. So I have negative 2x plus 4 equals 18. Subtract the 4 from both sides. And I have negative 2x is going to equal 14. Divided by negative 2, divided by negative 2, and x equals a negative 7. So here's my answer. You have a handful more of these to try. Please try them. You will have 3 of these on your test tomorrow. So if you have any questions, let me know. You should not end up with a decimal. So if you do, raise your hand and we'll find out where we went wrong.